The whole purpose of the Jaguar Art of Performance Tour is to allow customers to have a dynamic driving experience. And now, the Art of Performance Tour has landed in Mumbai. Here, Jaguar has brought their entire range of cars, starting with the smallest XE, XF, the XJ, F-Pace and the super sporty F-Type. At a specially designed track, under the guidance of trained experts, the customers are going to have an experience of how well the Jaguar cars are built and what they can offer. The Jaguar range of cars are available in India at prices starting from 37.31 lakh rupees and go all the way up to 134 lakhs. So this is what the Art of Performance Tour was all about. And boy oh boy, what should we say about the Jaguar F-Type? This was a loud roaring beast and we drove it pedal to the metal, and even though for a short spin and for a short distance, we were having an adrenaline rush. The only thing we had to do in this situation was drive hard and then brake super hard and super late. We did feel the ABS kicking in, but the car kept the straight line held up very nicely. In this lane change and braking activity, what we had to do was drive straight, fast and take a sharp turn and bring the car to a halt. We simulated this activity for both sharp left and sharp right turns, and we used all the Jaguar range of cars. And the most fun during this activity was the Jaguar XE. Obviously, because it is a shorter car, it's a smaller car and it is much lighter compared to all other range of cars. In the slalom test, as the name suggests, there were cones kept to mark the turning points. All we had to do was drive zigzag and experience how stable the Jaguar range of cars were under such situations. Do remember to like, comment and let us know what you think about such events planned by luxury car manufacturers. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you are notified every time we upload a new automotive video. Till next time, drive safe.